today's world, Black Friday has somehow become Thanksgiving Thursday shopping. And now the stores are just making online sales. So that means more people are shopping online. That means you and I and people that like to go to the stores that actually go Black Friday shopping, we're like the diamonds. And the stores will do whatever they can to get our money. So I say let's capitalize on this. I've actually been successful Black Friday shopping for over 20 years. And yes, I know you're sitting there trying to do the math, trying to figure out how old I am. But I started when I was young. So I was that kid in line standing outside of a store in the freezing cold while my mom sat in the car in the heat while I did all the work. So I've been doing this thing for a long time. Today, we are going to learn 6 guaranteed tips and tricks to make sure that you go Black Friday shopping correctly. Let's get our shopping on. Hi, my name is Aja, and here on Educate Our Youth, I do lifestyle and education videos for teachers, parents, and more importantly, for you. So please make sure that you subscribe. It's really important that you subscribe, especially while I'm starting off this YouTube channel. I really appreciate it if you subscribe, and like this video. Today we're going to be learning tips and tricks on how to go Black Friday shopping correctly. Can you do Black Friday shopping wrong? Yeah, and that's why you end up with nothing. So I'm going to show you how to end up with everything that you want to get on Black Friday. Before we get started, I want to know, what are some tips and tricks that you personally do when you go Black Friday shopping? Go ahead and answer that in the comments below. I would love to get some feedback from you guys. So let's jump right in. Tip number 1, do your research. Typically, stores release their ads early on in November. That gives you weeks to go online and price check. You already have the list of who you need to get for Christmas. So with that list, you then want to go through the ads and you're going to find what items you want to get. You're going to look up what stores have the cheapest price. Look up the brand names. A lot of stores, what they do is they sell these laptops, but they're like off-brand laptops and they barely work. Believe me, I know, I have gotten one. And I don't even think that thing worked a month. So make sure that you are actually getting good quality products. You want to do your research, you want to price check, and you want to make sure that you know exactly where you want to go. Tip number 2, make a plan. Go ahead and prioritize your list of the stores you want to hit. Look at the doorbuster sales. So typically JCPenney's, they always do like a 2 p.m. on Thanksgiving sale where they just give out coupons. I typically go and I just get my little coupon and I don't even shop there. Then I come back later and shop because that's not number 1 on my list. I just want the $5 or $10 off coupon. And then I head right to the store that I actually want to go to. That may not open until like 5. Once you have a list of the stores you want to go and kind of what times they're doing their doorbusters, you must make sure that you find an area to shop. So when I say find an area, I mean somewhere that has all those stores within a close proximity. This will minimize your driving time. So I live in Atlanta. I have done Woodstock so I can hit an outlet mall. I've done Kennesaw. Last year I did Hiram. I just look at what areas have all the stores that I want to go to in a small proximity. That way I'm not spending time driving from store to store to store. Tip number 3, create a team. You can't do this alone. Go ahead and recruit 2 to 4 people that can help you Black Friday shop correctly. If you have kids from about 10 to teenage years, these are perfect recruits for your team. They can maneuver a lot quicker than adults with big old buggies. So they're able to get in places and kind of get items that most people in the aisle can't get. Duh, winning. Make sure that everybody on your team has a charged cell phone. That is really important to make this plan go right. Tip 4, divide and conquer. The divide and conquer step might be one of my favorite because it is truly the key to success when it comes to Black Friday shopping. Most stores release the layout of their Black Friday sales about 24 hours before the actual sale begins. So if possible, go visit the store and ask the workers, where are you going to have the TVs? Where are you going to have the laptops? Where are you going to have the iPhones? They'll tell you exactly where in the store those items plan on being. Most of the items are not in their normal places. They're in the aisles. So they're in these big old bins in the aisles. So knowing the regular store layout will not help you with this. You have to find the Black Friday sale layout, and that will kind of let you know where everybody needs to go. When your team gets to the store, you're going to divide your team into the different pockets. Remember, you already have a prioritized list, so everybody kind of knows which items they're hitting. If anybody on your team passes an item that anybody else on the team is interested in, go ahead and have them grab that item and put it in their cart. 9 times out of 10, these items are going to be gone within 30 minutes to an hour of the sale beginning. And you don't want to waste time backtracking and walking back and trying to find items. Let's save time and save energy. Tip 5, check in and check out. The check-in, check-out step is designed for you guys to call each other, check in with one another. Once everybody has those big ticket items and you guys have gotten all the little small items and put it in your cart, you're going to want to check in with everybody and find a location that's not very popular, like the meat section at Walmart. Nobody goes to the meat section. So that's a perfect place to kind of meet and gather. You're going to meet with your carts and then you're going to actually distribute. So at this point, you can actually show everybody kind of what you grabbed, see if y'all need anything else that one person can get while everybody else waits in line. And you just kind of divide up all the items. And then you get in the checkout line, because we all know the checkout line is ridiculous. If you have anybody on your team that stopped shopping early, have them go ahead and head to the line while the rest of you guys finish. And then you can do the check-in, check-out phase already in the checkout line while you're a little ahead of the game. Tip number 6, celebrate, load your car, and do it over again. So this step, you are going to literally just celebrate. You already got what you want. You have your 60-inch TV. You have the iPhone 11. Whatever it is that you want to get, you have it. So now you're going to load your car and you're about to do this all over again at the next store. I hope you guys enjoyed these 6 successful tips to help you Black Friday shop correctly. I look forward to reading your comments about any tips that you have that help you Black Friday shop. Please make sure that you subscribe. It is really important that you become an Educate Our Youth subscriber so that you also can get the weekly videos that I will upload. Next week, we are actually going to be looking into the 2019 Black Friday deal. Whoop, whoop. And I will help you do tip number 1, which was do your research. We're going to do it together next week. So please make sure that you tune in. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Whoop, whoop.